Hello, yours. Today I'm gonna do a video how to make homemade ice cream. It still has some crap, but because we're gonna need Oreo or something sweet to put in. You don't have to have anything sweet, but it's nicer. Still not gonna be that bad like in soap you can buy. Well, you're gonna need this whipped cream. You're gonna need this. Zoom. Gonna need Oreo or some flavor. You can break actually it how you want. I like to use this all the time thing, or you can break it with your hands, but I'm just gonna use this. Some can be smaller, some bigger, some smaller pieces. Well, it's finished now, the Oreo, because it's mine and my sister's favorite cookie. Now we're gonna need condensed milk. Where do I put that?
You just show them that we need it later. What's next step?
We need to do this.
So shall we do it?
Oh, and we have these to put it in.
Okay.
Well, now we're gonna do this.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Wait. Well, now the whipped cream is ready. We did it. And now we're gonna do for my grandfather because he has diabetes. He cannot eat sugar. That's why we got this. It's same this milk, fat milk, but without sugar. So this is enough. Now we're gonna put that in. I don't know how much I should put in.
I think that's okay.
Yeah. Now should I mix it a bit?
Mix it gently.
I will mix it gently with this. Have to do it gently that the foam won't get away. Well, yeah.
You can add a little bit coffee.
We have a bit coffee.
Little bit.
Yeah, I know. Like this? I think so. This is about enough. And you think it's done? It's aspartame. It's not really good to use. But we're making ice cream for him, so we're gonna need to put a bit of it. Okay. Now we put it into the form. Okay, now we're gonna start with the other one.
Tak to jedna sestra Kielowit.
This is look how thick it is. Well, this we're gonna put, oh my god, all of it I think, right?
No, it's very sweet.
It is. Okay, well we're gonna put this in.
One more you can put.
And then we're gonna need to gently mix it. Okay, now my mom likes coconut. And she doesn't want Oreo. It's too sweet for her probably. So I'm gonna take a bit away. Gonna do like half, and then I'm gonna put a bit of this.
Show me how full you make
I did
it.
like
Mm-hmm.
half, and then I will put a bit of coconut in, and then after I will do a bit more.
No, I would like that you mix it in.
Uh-huh.
Then I will have the coconut everywhere.
I'm just gonna wash this spoon a
You
bit.
don't have to.
No? Super sweet.
That looks yummy.
Now I'm gonna put a bit more of it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Great, thank you. That's enough.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm gonna put a bit more. As a little bit topping. You want me to mix it again?
No. It's great to have some topping. Voila!
This is how it comes out. Now to the freezer. Oh my god. This is the ice cream that we made last time. It's tasty, but it didn't come out well. It came out too hard.
That's because there's less fat, it's more avocado and banana in.
But this is how we made it last time.
Okay.
Well, now for my mom and for my grandfather, it's ready. So now I'm gonna make for me and Annika.
So you basically just put the Oreos in it.
Yeah. You think that's enough?
Mm-hmm. Think so. Mix it and you will see.
Mm-hmm. Can I put it in there?
If you wash it after.
Okay, now it's done. You can see here. Look how many ice creams we made. These all are full. My mom's is already in the freezer. Well, let me know in the comments if you liked it. I know this video was a bit long, but look what we can make. Now we will put it in the freezer. Let it around 4 hours, maybe 5. Don't let it all night, otherwise it will get too frozen. Okay.